Hello?
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 What's this about?
We're Jehovah's Witnesses. We're just trying to give a bit of encouragement to people, being the world is in such a state.
I don't believe in God.
Oh, why?
It's all a load of bollocks.
Well, we all think that, don't we, until we read a book and then we find out it's really quite
Oh,
good.
no, definitely not. It's not real. It's not real.
All right. Okay,
Yeah.
then. Okay, then you can feel that
I pray
way.
to God
Nice
every day
talking
and ask
to
for
you.
money, and it never fucking comes, does it?
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Take care. Have a nice day. God bless.